What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Realme X2 Pro against the Asus Rog Phone 2. Both of the phones have the Snapdragon 855 Plus CPU. They both have 8GB of RAM, a heavily skinned version of Android versus a clean version of Android. Which one of these phones will win? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the Realme X2 Pro. It has a 1080p AMOLED display. It's on Android 9 Pie. It has the Snapdragon 855 Plus CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU and 8GB of RAM. Then we have the Asus Rog Phone 2. It has a 1080p AMOLED display. It's on Android 9 Pie. It has the Snapdragon 855 Plus CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU. This model is the Tencent version with 8GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the scores were tied at 15 points each. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So at the end of round 2, the scores were tied again at 16 points each. So that is the end of the speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the scores were tied at 15 points each. In round 2, the scores were tied again by 16 points each. As for the price difference, both of these phones in this video were the 128GB model, and the Realme X2 Pro costs £55 less than the Rog Phone 2, and it is also from the cheapest Snapdragon 855 Plus phone you can get right now, and it also has a 90Hz refresh rate display, 4000 mAh battery, stereo speakers, an amazing 50-watt charger which is included in the box, headphone jack, and UFS 3.0 if you go for the middle or top end model. As for the Rog Phone 2, it is probably the best spec Android phone you can buy right now. It also has the Snapdragon 855 Plus CPU, up to 120Hz refresh rate, a massive 6000 mAh battery, front-facing stereo speakers, 30-watt fast charging, headphone jack, UFS 3.0 and USB 3.1, also Zen UI, which is a clean version of Android. As for which phone to buy, do let me know in the comment section which one you would go for. So what did you think of this comparison video? Do you own or plan to buy either of these phones? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.